to my channel Khanchai Creation, and in today's video I am doing a book review again. So today's book review will be The Hunt for the Golden Book, Geronimo Stilton. So this is Geronimo Stilton's book. As you can see, this book is looking like kind of like diary or something, like a leather diary. You can see the print is also like that, and it's the writer Geronimo Stilton. Like, it's obviously a fiction writer, but he's not a real writer obviously. Yeah, so this is the book, and at the back side you can see one cheese. And yeah, so the price of this book is 550 rupees. That's the price which I got. So yeah, this is that book. And so I know, guys, I was not uploading for a long time. It's actually 2 weeks time I didn't upload. So sorry for that. And yeah, because like my video which was the dash color cooking challenge, that was, it's still not getting uploaded. I don't know why. There's some or the other problem. It's still not getting uploaded. What is the problem? I need to figure it out. So I just hopefully it gets figured out quickly, and I get that video to you all, or else I need to reshoot it again, re-edit it, all those things. I have already re-edited 2 times almost. It's still not working. I don't know why. So I don't want to bore you with talking. So without any further delay, let's start the video. And happy Independence Day, guys. Today is India's 75th Independence Day, 15th August. I shooted this video on Sunday, and you guys are seeing this video on Monday. So happy Independence Day to all. So today, as I told you, I am giving a book review to The Hunt for the Golden Book. So this is basically a book where the main character, Geronimo Stilton, who works in a newspaper office. He basically needs to, like, he basically, his grandfather means, one second. So his grandfather, who is the main, he's the head of the company, he's the boss of the company. He basically, he told him to write a book, and that book, he told that if you don't write this book, I will get you out from this company, all those things. And then Geronimo was like shocked that why his grandfather telling something, but Geronimo didn't knew that there's a surprise for you, surprise for Geronimo. So I will not tell you the surprise now, because I want you all to read the book and tell me your views on this book. So yeah, so this is the picture of his office. I think you can see it clearly. So I'm just going to show you the picture of the grandfather. So this is his grandfather, Geronimo's. And yeah, so this is the grandfather, and he told him to, as I told, to get a golden book. And there was a lot of problem. His computer where he wrote his book, that got missing, but Geronimo didn't knew that all that was pre-planned by his grandfather to give him a surprise. As you can see, he's in a plane where his computer got lost, and this is his book which he's taking out his book. So yeah, that is the basically the story. So there is some puzzles here. You can do this puzzles. There is some maps, and this is called, this is called the guide. You can just take the keys 1 2 3, and then you to find all the places in the map. There is one more puzzle also. So in this book, basically what is there is one mini mystery also. So I'm just going to show you the mini mystery. 1 second. Yeah, so there is one mini mystery. Mini mystery means there is like a small mystery also in this book. There is not only one book, there is a one more book. Yeah, see, this is called the mini mystery, which is here. And the mini mystery is The Lake Monster. So do read the book because this book has 2 stories in it. So don't forget to read this. So yeah, Daniel Chilton is a famous writer, and I have given 2-3 other book reviews also. You can check it on in my channel. He basically the author of Geronimo Stilton. She writes 2 books. First is Geronimo Stilton and second is Thea Stilton. So in some books of Geronimo Stilton, you can see that there is some there is some girl who's Thea. So Thea is basically Geronimo's sister, and she also has a series of books. So I have uploaded one book of Thea Stilton review. You can watch it. I will give the link in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had fun seeing the review. I will link the Amazon link of this book in the description. You can check it out and you can buy it also. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up for more videos like this, and I will try to upload my Dash Color Cooking Challenge as soon as I can. So yeah, bye guys. I'm going to meet you in the next video.